Hey there, okay, here is another one, and this is going to be the bearish mat hold. Now unfortunately the bearish mat hold is a little bit like the bearish falling free methods. However, although we're still using the same 5 candlestick formations, okay, what we're looking for is basically we're coming in from a downtrend, and this is a continuation pattern just like last time. Okay, now as you may recall from the previous video, that when we did those three bull candles, they basically took up the whole real estate here. But the difference here with the bearish mat hold is that your three candles don't really exceed more than 25% of the real body. Alright, so you might have like a candle here and then another one here and then another one around about there, and that will be fine. Okay, and then you'll have like another down candle here, and this down candle needs to actually break lower than all the other ones. But this bearish mat hold is actually more stronger of a signal than the bearish falling free methods. Simply reason being is that these three candles here in the middle didn't go up as high. The sentiment is less when the candles go up higher against the original trend. Alright, but this one actually, comes in around about 25% below, of this of the candle body here, and then the next, you don't even really need to wait for the next candle. You can immediately go short on that next candle rather than waiting for a confirmation bar. Alright, I can't really show you any examples on the charts because again it's a little bit like the other formation, and they're very hard to find when they pop up, but when you see them I think you would recognize them straight away. I mean, some of these look very similar, but just one candle was like out of bonk. For instance, like this one here looks like it's actually going to reverse back the other way, but we might need to make some allowances based on how far it drops and what kind of formation it builds, how far it retraces back up and stuff like that. So we might have to sort of think outside the box a little bit when you see these kind of formations appear. I mean, here has got what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles inside 2 red ones, but this candle here, the red one there, doesn't really come all the way down below, so it's it's not perfect, but I think it'd be better off to wait for them to actually come in, rather than trying to force one that looks like one to make it look like one kind of thing. So yeah, so I would leave this video as a short video. Unfortunately, the candle gods aren't with us today, so I can't really find any examples. I did find some good examples a couple of weeks ago, when I was showing a friend of mine how to spot them, and unfortunately I've lost that particular position. I should have taken a picture of it actually. But anyways, I'll leave you for that for the moment. Just remember though that when the three candles in the middle go back up, they need to basically remain under like the mid portion or 25% of the candle's body, and then you should be okay. Again, make sure support and resistance levels that you're all in, everything's all lined up, alright, before entering the trades. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.